Should I be able to taste the air? 'Cause that seems bad. Tastes bad, too.
First things first, find the chickadees. Vision power! I see them. Follow me.
Hop on, little friends. We're getting you out of here.
I see a forest that way, outside the city. It'll be a good place for the chick.
Speed power! Done!
Now what?
Now we find Preston Praxton and get him to clean up his mess.
Phoebe, come on. Preston's bad, but you can't blame him for this. It's not like he's behind every bad thing that happens on Earth.
That's Preston's company logo, and I see his logo on all the other buildings around here too.
Maybe he is behind every bad thing on Earth.
So where do we find him?
Easy. Vision power. Okay. I see a big construction site, lots of pollution, and I see Preston. That's right.
Looking good! This will be our skyscrapingest skyscraper yet! Ha ha ha!
Preston Praxton, we need to talk to you.
Ah!
Well, well, well. The Rainbow Rangers. I wish I could say I smelled you coming, but honestly, I can't smell a thing. Ha ha ha!
That's because of all the pollution, and your construction is making it worse.
Pollution? What are you talking about? This air is as pure as the seaside in summer. Ah.
If the air's so clean, why are you wearing that gas mask?
Gas mask? Puh. This mask is couture. It came with the suit.
You know we're right, Preston. This city is in danger.
Ah, that is so Rangers of you to say. This city is an environmentalist's dream and wonderful for mini vacuum cleaners. See? Not a speck of pollution.